Powered, protected, possible. At ABB Installation Products, we make it possible to keep moving forward. Across bridges and oceans, in the fastest trains and cars, orbiting Earth, roving on Mars, and traveling beyond. We continually innovate the design and manufacturing of products for wherever electricity is used to keep our world powered and progressing. We protect what matters most. Protection from corrosion and wildlife, from outages and faulty connections, from radiation and extreme temperatures. We relentlessly improve the reliability of our products so that those we love can return home safely each day. We power your world, from electric source to socket, from power grids to production floors, from hospitals to homes, from bridges to ballparks. We help communities spark connection, reliably, sustainably, safely, because we know the power of together. Together, we are transforming aging infrastructure. Together, we are making it safer and more sustainable. Together, we are creating solutions for tomorrow. Together, we do our best work. Innovators for 125 years, our people are empowered to keep moving forward. ABB Installation Products is powering and protecting your world through reliable electrical products in sustainable ways. With power and protection, almost anything is possible.